and she took off and disappeared. And then probably 30 minutes later, I'm looking for her, because we're all done, me and my son are done looking for her, and she's on the floor in the shoe department, like set up a little office on their little footrest thing, and I'm just listening to her, and she's taking, all the guys' information, great rapport with them, and we're actually going to talk more about that deal this afternoon, but he told her that we were the fourth company he called that day. The fourth company called, first person he actually got to speak to, and that one is the one that we did that day and turned into a $40,000 check on Super Bowl Sunday. And so it's one of those things, it's so easy to be like, it's Sunday, I don't have to answer my phone today, or it's the Super Bowl, I don't have to work today. And by answering the phone and taking advantage of it, turned into a $40,000 check. Fourth company. First three companies could have been any one of our competitors, and nobody answered the phone. Everybody probably said, I'll call him back tomorrow. Yeah, if there's, don't worry, I'll call him back tomorrow. But we answered, she got right on it, did the entire deal, and turned into a $40,000 check just for answering. And I know I'm cutting you off, but I'm going to tell you one other one because it was interesting. So we had another one, and this was actually the prior year, and we were at, it was our anniversary, and we had just gone to another real estate seminar that morning, and then we went to Citrus over on Great Neck Road, and we're sitting at the bar. It's packed in there, so we're sitting at the bar, and drinking Bloody Marys and eating breakfast, and that phone rings, and so she runs out, and if you guys have been to Citrus, it's noisy and busy in there, and she goes to the foyer because there's nowhere to go, and she tries always to be professional and act like she's in an office setting, and so she's in the foyer, and it's loud. People, look at John, you see your table's empty, and so she's on the phone with them for a while, and I'm sitting there still eating, drinking, and then finally she comes back in, and she's like, pay the bill, we gotta go, and I'm like, but I'm having a good time, and she's like, this guy, he's 85 years old, he lives in South Carolina, the house is in Arizona, he owns it free and clear, he wants an offer today, and she's rambling everything perfect about an appointment. And so we run out there to the house, take pictures of it, go back, call him, and end up negotiating a contract with him, wholesale it to another investor for a $22,000 assignment fee. Out of nowhere, just because we answered the phone and took advantage of it. And so I know she's supposed to speak, and I'm cutting her off, but it's one of those things that I cannot stress the importance of actually answering your phone. You're going to be shocked when you find out your competitors don't.